driving, press cruise control on the steering wheel. To set the speed, press Set and use the plus or minus buttons to increase or decrease your set speed. Adaptive cruise control automatically maintains a set distance from the car in front. Sensors in your car measure vehicle distance. If the car in front slows down, so will you. And if the car in front leaves the lane, your own car will automatically re-accelerate to your set speed. Adaptive cruise control with collision avoidance technology can avoid impact or help reduce damage by slowing the car down. Pressing your brake at any time will cancel cruise control. Your car automatically maintains a following distance from the car in front, in line with the driver selection of 3 possible distance settings. You can turn this off using the Cancel button on the steering wheel.